Hi, Clarissa. This is Aline. Thank you so much for this opportunity to share your website with you. So, I'm looking at your website. It's beautiful. Let me first praise God that you are a thriving survivor. I too am a cancer survivor. I am a cancer conqueror, as I like to say. Um, but I'm so glad that you are still here and you are thriving. At any rate, let's take a look at your website. So, what you have here on your About page, you tell your story, which is awesome. From what I understand, based on your text message to me, you said that your site is about providing humor in a therapeutic way for cancer survivors. And then I'm looking at trying to get a grasp of whether it's a blog, what services you're offering. And what I can say is you want to make sure that whatever your service, whatever your services are, that anything that you're going to talk about is here above the fold. I don't know if you can see my cursor, but this is considered in the SEO world and the web world above the fold right here at the top because Google is going to read that and Google is going to serve your site up to the most appropriate to anyone who is searching for what your services offer. And it looks like the Laughing Survivor is your tagline. So, what you want to do is on your website, if you can see right here at the top, this little drop down, this is something that Google reads. So, it reads the Laughing Survivor. Now, you want to use the most searchable words um, and not so many branded words. So the Laughing Survivor sounds like a brand. And once I don't know how strong your brand is at this point, but what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're using pretty generic terms that are more familiar to your industry in order to get those searches up. All right, so I know you mentioned about your blog, so I'm going to click on your blog. And what I've done is, let's see, okay, all right, let me go back. Okay, I see. Okay, okay, so let me share. So you offering tea, meditative therapy, and then you have aids, meditative aids. And so meditation seems to be your main keyword. So let me show you a tool that I use in order to check on keywords. And it's called SEMrush. This is something that a lot of SEOs in the industry use. And since one of your words is meditation, we're going to take a look at the term meditation. There's 110,000 searches for meditation in the United States, roughly per month or within the most recent month. So it's a very popular word. It's a difficult word to rank for. That means you have to have be really strong in the marketplace in order to rank for that. But there are also some other keywords that are really popular that are being searched for, like how to meditate, what is meditation, um, how to meditate properly. How do you meditate? How to meditate for beginners. So you can incorporate those words on your website somewhere, or maybe even create a blog for one of those keywords. And I'm going to click on how to meditate. How to meditate is searched 49,000 times. So it would be great to do a blog post on how to meditate, and then you can incorporate your own specific style of meditation and incorporate it with your brand, which is um, laughter, so, or laughing or comedy. Um, but make sure that you're hitting on that how to meditate thing, and that would be one of the titles of your blog post. So you can put in there, there are several ways to do it. But anyway, let's click on how to meditate. So when you click on how to meditate, what comes up is this website here where it says number one down here at the bottom, SERP analysis. This one is the first one that comes up. Let me see. Let me go to it. Hold on for a second. My internet is slow. So I'm going to open it up in a new window. And you'll get some ideas. Notice at the very top, you see right here, it says mindful.org. So yours would say, um, I'm sorry, yours would say millennialwatts.com dash or slash how to meditate. That would be part of your title. And then you would go in and you would, and the reason why this one is one of the reasons why this is coming up is because they have it here so Google can find it. And then also right here, you'll see how to meditate in the title. Right here at the tippy top of this drop down, you'll see how to meditate dash mindful. So you want to incorporate that at the top. And then you see above the fold, immediately this website addresses the question, how to meditate. So it uses several keywords in this paragraph right above the fold. And then when we scroll down, there's the picture. So Google can't read a picture. Google will only read the words that you have here. And this title tag, this is a title tag. How to meditate is a title tag. And then it reads these subtitles or subheadings. What is meditation? Why learn to meditate? How to meditate? And these are links. So it's a whole thing, but you know, there are a few things that you can do. And one of, the few that I'm mentioning is to actually go to um, answer some of these questions. And I'm going to show you a tool that I use quite a bit, and it's called Answer the Public. So let me go to Answer the Public. Now I have a paid version because this is part of the tools that I use, but you can get a free version of Answer the Public, and you type in, excuse me, I'm sorry, it's very late here. Excuse me, I'm in Japan. So I apologize for that. But you can type in meditation. Is that what we were doing, or was it? Yes, meditation. Okay, so we can type in meditation, and you only want to use 1 to 2 words, right? And the United States and English. And I'm going to click on that. And what Answer the Public does, it gives you some blog ideas. So once it does its thing, you'll see 392 results. And we scroll down and you'll see some questions here that are being asked on the internet. Can meditation replace sleep? Can meditation help with anxiety? I noticed one of your statements on your website was about anxiety. So you can click on this and you can find the blog post that's ranking number one, and you want to go past these ads, and you'll find a blog post, mindful.org again. They're answering all of these questions. So look up mindful.org and kind of model some of the things that you see in their blogs and write your blogs in a similar fashion. Hopefully, this is helpful. I know this is a lot of information, but I want it to be as helpful as possible. Um, but yeah, so thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to chatting with you soon. Oh, I guess I didn't introduce myself. My name is Aline, and my company is Digital Glow Consulting. Chat with you soon.